Hey, what's up, guys? This is Fahad from Big Bills. So, you have set up your free System.io account. You have even built a sales funnel, but here's the secret that most people miss: the money is in the follow up. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to build the automated email sequence that follows up with your lead and customers for you so you can make sales even while you're sleeping or you're filming your next YouTube video. And yes, my free checklist has all the steps for this too. Link is in the description below. Now, here's the reality. Most people won't buy the first time they visit your website. They need to see your offer multiple times. They need to trust you. So automated emails do that for you. Someone opts into your funnel, and days later, they get a helpful email from you. A few days after that, another one, and each email builds trust and moves them closer to buying. System.io has changed a little bit, so let me show you the new way. First, we need to create an email campaign. This is where you will build the actual sequence of emails with delays. Click on the email on the left, then go to campaigns, click the create button, name your campaign. For example, we're going to go with welcome sequence. Then select the email address you want to send this email from and then save it. Now click on the campaign that we just created, open it. Here's where we're going to be creating the 4 emails I talked about earlier. Remember, this is your primary source to gain attention and build trust. Now click on create, set up the first email. For me, I'll share the free ebook I promised in my sales funnel. And if you missed that video, watch the episode 2. The link should be on the screen right now, somewhere. I don't know where, but yeah, it's going to be there. Or if you can't find it, the link is in the description as well. Now, when creating an email, you'll see 2 options. Number 1 is visual editor for detailed emails with images, graphics, or just go for the classic editor for simple text and link-based emails. So I'm going to be using the classic editor for this one. Write your email, then save and publish it. System.io will ask, when do you want to send this? I want to send it after 5 minutes, after the campaign starts. So let's select 5 minutes. Now create the second email, a helpful tip that adds more value, and send this one. Let's send this one after 24 hours or 1 day. Now let's create the third email, your soft sell or soft sell offer, and send it. Let's go with 2 days, after 2 days. Yeah. Now finally, let's create the fourth email, which is going to be my direct offer, and send it after 3 days. That sounds reasonable, right? Now, once all 4 emails are saved, your campaign is ready. Now we need to connect it to your funnel so it starts automatically when someone opts in. Go to the automation and then rules, click create to make a new rule. And let's first set up the trigger. Click the plus icon under the trigger and select funnel step form subscribe, because we want this flow to start when someone opts in from our funnel. Select the funnel you built in episode 2 and then select the specific funnel step, which is going to be my opt-in form. Now set up the action. Click on the plus icon under the action and select subscribe to a campaign. Then choose the email campaign we just created. Now save the rule. That's it. Now whenever someone subscribes through your funnel, they'll automatically be added to your email campaign and receive your sequence. Easy as that, right? Now, before you trust this with real leads, you need to test it. Go to the contacts tab, add yourself as a test contact, then go back to your funnel's opt-in page, submit your email. The automation should start. Check your inbox in a few minutes for the first welcome email. Testing is the only way to be sure everything works perfectly before you send real traffic. So, just to recap, we created an email campaign, added 4 emails with delays, then built an automation rule that triggers when someone opts into your funnel. The rule subscribes them to the campaign, and the email goes out automatically. That's the new System IO workflow. It's clean and powerful once you get the hang of it, of course. Now, I know setting up automation can feel overwhelming, especially if you're doing it for your own business or for your clients. So, here's what I want to offer you. If you're stuck at any point, whether it's setting up your funnel, connecting your email sequences, or figuring out the affiliate system, comment your problem below or book a free 15-minute one-on-one session with me. The link to schedule is in the description as well. I will try my best to help you solve the problem you're facing with setting up System IO. And don't forget to grab my free System IO setup checklist that walks you through every step from episode 1 to now. Link in the description. Subscribe for episode 4, where I'll show you how to create and sell online courses. Let's build something better together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.